What do you need to know about a Pro-6G davit arm kit? Hello, I'm Ben from Guardian, and today I want to run through the Pro-6G davit arm kit. It starts off with a clamp that clamps to the shield. This has a range clamp of 20mm through to 200mm. Then it has a 3-piece arm, and then it has 2 winches. A personnel winch that has a triple action safety hook and a 24-metre wire rope, and then a materials winch. This has an 18-metre self-locking hook on it. Then after that we have the bracket that mounts them to the davit arm. Then after that we have a storage bag that it all comes in. Assembly for this davit arm can be assembled by 1 or 2 people, and no particular tools are needed. It can be clipped together, the winches are pinned together, and it can be clamped to the shield with no tools at all. Okay, now we're going to assemble it. First off, we take the base that has the rounded bottom and we slide that into the foot. Okay, then we have the option then of doing the extension. This extension will make it higher. For this case, I'm not going to use that. So then we take the base arm and we place it on top. Then I take the arm here. This is an extendable arm, can be extended on this point, and we fit that to the base bracket. This can be extended by turning and pulling down. We can extend it out and lock it off at any point. For this demonstration, I'm going to leave it folded away. After that, we start with the winch. So for the winches, we need this bracket here fitting on the underside of the arm. We then take the pin that is provided on the little chain, feed that through, and push over the little safety catch so it can't come off. Next, I take the personnel winch and I lower it in up this way into this bracket. And again, we take the pin that is there, putting it into the hole that lines up, bring it right across to this side and put the safety catch down. And we put the materials winch in. Materials winch fits on the back, hooks onto the bracket, and again we put the rod through and close the latch. Okay, next for this can now rotate on its base. So we're going to pull out some length of wire rope. This will fit through the top keeper. You can see that can roll through easy. Then we go up through the top bracket, through there properly. Now we're ready to go with that one. Next we take this personnel winch, comes up through the throat. We pull out cable, goes through this keeper again and onto the second roller. We then pull it out to the end of the davit arm and pop it through the keeper there too. That sits there ready to go. This is the 2-piece automatic locking hook. This one is a 3-piece or 3-stage. You pull down, turn, and then you can open. Okay, next we're going to talk about the recovery winch. how it works and when you would use it. Firstly, this is free flowing. You can pull out as you're climbing down a trench, down the ladder. You can hitch this to your harness and it will play out behind you as you go down. If you should fall from the ladder and it suddenly catches you like that and it's locked, so you can now get back on the ladder, it's prevented the fall. If someone does fall, this mechanism in here will now change to red. There is a little red line in there that will then show, which means that it has been overstretched and we need to have it retested. This winch locking mechanism is all up to New Zealand standards too, of course, and made to go to your harness. Then if someone has been injured down the trench and you are doing a recovery, this here normally being retractable, we then come to this button here and we pull out that button which pops this handle out. This is now not retractable, it is locked. We then fold out the handle and we can use that down the trench to winch somebody out, and it is literally winching them out, whole person, complete with stretcher, whatever. And then to put that away again, we pull that handle out, fold it up, pull this knob and push in on the handle. It's now gone back into retractable mode. Also with this personnel winch, it has a load rating of 136 kgs. Okay, next we have the materials winch here. This has a 140 kg rating. It has a two system. You press the little keeper and then you can open the hook. It is an automatic close when weight goes on it, so it locks it safe on the load. This is used to lift and lower materials and tools in and out of the trench. It is not to be used as a personnel winch. Simply hook on the product you have and then we wind the handle and it is ratcheting up so that with the force on it, it is not going to run around. Okay, the davit adapter here is the adapter plate that brings this winch to the actual arm. That's the mounting bracket. This system also has an internal weight warning system. It has these little wicks down in here. When the arm is overloaded, those wicks will start to snap and the arm will start to tilt down. This will give you an easy visual of something going wrong. What are these davit arms made of? They're made of a high strength aluminium and their weight to strength ratio is very high. What are the dimensions and the weight of this davit arm? So there is two options for height, 1.96 metres, which it's set at now, and then we can add this extension in to make it 2.79 metres high. It also has an offset of 0.5 metre, which can be extended to make it 0.7 of a metre. The upper mast assembly weighs 22.6 kg. The weight of the whole kit depends on what foot is used, and the kit is modular and can be customised for various different jobs. Can these davit arms be hired or purchased? Yes, to both. We hire them and we sell them. What is the certification on these units? They have been certified to both New Zealand and Australian standards. For more information, you can contact us on 0508 41 41 41, or alternatively, you can email us on sales@guardiancivil.co.nz. Guardian, your partner in protecting your people. Trench and site, do it right.